Hostel life. It's affordable, social, and full of adventure. What's not to love? Well, while hostels can be a really good option for budget travel, it definitely can be challenging at times. Shared spaces, noisy dorms, limited amenities, snoring. Sounds chaotic. So how can you make your stay more comfortable and stress-free? It's simple. Watch this video for my 10 favorite must-haves for hostel travel, coming from a traveler who loves hostels. Microfiber towels. Microfiber towels are one of my most favorite travel inventions ever. They are perfect for backpacking because they pack down really small and dry super fast. My microfiber towel is just a generic one from Amazon. But while you're shopping around for some, make sure to get a towel with a little hook on it so you can hang it in the shower stalls, and they come in a variety of sizes and colors. So get the one that's right for you and then make sure to put your name on it. Nobody wants to be an accidental towel sharer. Luggage locks. While every hostel, in my opinion, should have large luggage storage, not every hostel does. So, to minimize any risk and prevent any petty theft, make sure to carry enough luggage locks for the bags that you want to secure. This is especially important if you're traveling with laptops, camera gear, or even jewelry and other valuables that you would like to keep. You can get simple luggage locks at places like Target or Amazon. Just don't forget your combination. Shower shoes. It's no secret, hostel showers can be absolutely yucky sometimes, especially when there's many people showering per day in the same small spaces. To avoid any grossness and honestly even nasty foot diseases, get shower shoes. I cannot stress this enough. If I ever forget my shower shoes, I would have to drop everything and go out and buy some. These are an absolute necessity. I always throw a pair of flip-flops in my bag because they are small and thin enough to put in a side compartment. And I can even get double the use out of them by wearing them throughout the day too. Be smart and get a pair. You won't regret it. Flashlight. Most phones these days have built-in flashlights, but I think sometimes it can be handy to carry a small one just in case. Because once other people turn the lights off at night, you don't want to be that person that gets up to turn them back on again. Lights out generally means lights out, to be considerate, and it's not always ideal to use your phone flashlight, especially if it needs to charge after a long day of exploring. You can find small travel flashlights on Amazon for super cheap, and they should last a long time. Bonus points if you find one with a hook that you can just hang on your bag. Earplugs and noise-canceling headphones. Earplugs are a godsend for those sleepless nights when you're stuck bunking with an endless snore, or worse. Snag a pair of earplugs. They are super cheap and use them whenever you need some peace and quiet. You'll be glad you have them, I promise. Melatonin. I have a little travel container full of different types of supplements that I may need while traveling, but my favorite compartment out of all of them is my melatonin stash. Melatonin is my favorite way to fall asleep fast, especially if my fellow travelers are staying up late to pack or waking up super early to catch their next flight. Pop in a melatonin supplement and you can sleep through all of the loud noises, luggage rustling, locker slamming, squeaky shower shoes, and bed creaks for an enjoyable night's sleep. But make sure you check if melatonin is allowed to be brought into the country of your destination. While melatonin is technically a supplement, it may not be allowed in certain countries with stricter border rules. Portable charger. Portable chargers save my butt on super long travel days, or honestly any day where I have my phone out a bunch for photos or directions. There's nothing else worse than being stuck in a foreign country, not being able to speak the language, and having your phone be on 1%. Just buy a portable charger and you can avoid this exact situation. There are many different options for portable chargers, but I like my chargers to come with a built-in charging cord. It makes my life easier so I don't have to remember to pack a cable. Just make sure that your portable charger is under 100 watts so you can take it on airplanes. Laundry sheets. If you're doing an extended stay in a hostel, the hostel might have laundry options, which is always a plus. I don't know about you, but I'm not always packing enough clothes to get me through an entire trip. Get yourself some laundry sheets because they are super lightweight, very packable, and easy to use. I purchased some and they came in handy when I was starting to run out of clean clothes in the middle of my backpacking trip. Hand sanitizer. I love feeling clean and fresh, and hand sanitizer is a huge game changer while traveling. You can come across some really questionable bathrooms in hostels, and I want to be prepared for when there's no soap. I use this hand sanitizer because it is the perfect size for my belt bag, super thin, and a really refreshing scent. It's a small thing that makes a huge difference. Travel converter. International travel can be so much fun, but there's nothing worse than not being able to plug in your devices because the outlets are different. Invest in a really good travel converter, and you won't have this problem. I got my favorite travel converter cube on Amazon, and it has been such a handy little tool. It comes with nearly every outlet combo possible, so you don't have to worry about buying all the different add-ons that some other charging converters have. It's my favorite little gadget, and I truly don't go anywhere without it. Now that we've gone through that extensive list of things, I think it's also really important to mention just some general tips for hostel stays. Hostels are definitely a unique approach to travel accommodations, and while they're really fun, they aren't always easy. Here are just a few things to keep in mind for when you are looking at booking a hostel for your upcoming adventure. Girl safety. Book the female-only dorms for some peace of mind. I am sometimes a solo female traveler. While that is really scary at times and quite intimidating for me, I always book the female-only dorms and hostels. I think mixed dorms are usually the cheapest option, but I consider safety to be a main priority. Booking the female-only dorms gives me some sense of security and peace of mind and can prevent some unwanted attention. I feel much more comfortable booking the female dorms, and generally, I make some really great friends too. Hostelworld. Hostelworld is one of my favorite websites to scour the internet for travel accommodations. Hostelworld offers ratings, reviews, photos, and so much more, so you can choose the right accommodation that suits your unique travel style. Make a Hostelworld account, and you can even rate and review the places you stay to help your fellow travelers in the future. Just make sure to read all of the reviews before you book. Reading the reviews can definitely help you choose the right place suitable for your travel needs and can also avoid unwanted surprises during your stay. Be social. Join hostel events. Sometimes hostels host pub crawls, movie nights, or other fun activities to get people together and have some fun. One of my previous hostel stays in Salzburg, Austria played The Sound of Music every night for people to come and enjoy each other's company, and obviously marvel at Julie Andrews and the stunning scenery. Being social and joining the hostel events can also help you make friends fast. You are on the same boat, most likely solo travelers or travelers looking for companions, so grab a beer at the hostel bar and get chatty. And there you have it. Those are just 10 of my most favorite well-loved travel gadgets and things that make my hostel stays feel more comfortable and luxurious. With these essentials, you'll be ready to take on any adventure that life throws your way. If you found any of the products mentioned useful or helpful for you and your travels, I've included affiliate links of my favorite ones down below. If you purchase any of these items, I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. This helps our channel grow because of your support. If you liked this video and thought it was helpful, throw us a like and comment on what travel gadgets you cannot leave home without. And don't forget to subscribe. We love creating content to help fellow travelers like you. Thanks for watching.